Hey, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail Classic. This one is in Superior Blue. So we have rider floorboards. We also have a very nice Arlen Ness intake, and that is paired with the Reinhardt exhaust. All the chrome on this bike is looking beautiful. We have leather saddlebags that match the detailing on the rider's seat. We also have a passenger seat and backrest that has the same detailing on it. We have a very nice Live to Ride derby cover. Matches a couple of other covers and the mirrors on this bike as well. Heel toe shifter. And these really cool looking grips. Nice tall windshield also. And we also have engine guards. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.